Hey friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today we're going to be working on our 1996 Dodge Ram 1500 5.9, and we're going to be showing you something very basic, checking and topping off your washer fluid. If you come right over here, you'll see where the reservoir is. That's this giant jug right here. You can check the level just by looking through it. It's pretty basic. I can see it wobbling around down there. It definitely looks like it could use a little. Why not keep it topped off? We're under the hood, right? So you come over, you take your little top. This says washer fluid, okay? There's all sorts of different types of washer fluid you can use, so I'm not going to specify what kind. Use whatever you want to use. You do you, boo-boo. You're just going to try to pour some right in here. You don't need to have it so it comes all the way up the neck to the top. Go right like that. I still got plenty of room there. Put the cap back on. You need to make sure you put the cap on. Keep debris out of there. Last thing you want is dirt or oils getting in there and getting sprayed up onto your windshield while you're trying to drive. There we are. So that was pretty basic, very easy, and we're clear to go down the road.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1AAuto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.